What are we doing this morning?
Um, I got this deal from a gentleman. He's 70 years old, so he's selling this lots of trains. So my husband just came now and I asked him to take me there because he knows more about trains. I do too, but he knows more than me. So guys, we are heading to that place. It's about 45 minutes from here, so stay tuned. We'll record everything all the way to the place.
I'm the chauffeur today. I'm going to take her wherever she needs to go to do her picking. This is Honey Picker. So, okay. See you later.
Guys. Okay, come along with us, guys. Let's enjoy this ride together. Okay guys, we are almost there. My husband is gonna make a U-turn.
Yeah, he's on the other side of the road, the house.
Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel, Honey Pickers. This is a quick video to introduce myself and what is all about my channel. My name is Bui. I'm a mother of 5, wife to a wonderful husband, Alan Graphius, CDL picker. I'm a businesswoman and a YouTuber. I have a channel called Mama Bui's Kitchen. So for my channel, I'll be doing all sorts of videos. I don't want to focus on one thing in particular. I just want to do a complete mix. On my channel, I'll be buying storage units. I'll be picking for antiques, collectibles, clothing, toys, etc. Anything of value. Guys, I've been buying and reselling for almost 11 years. It's a fun business to be in. I'm still learning, guys. Every day I learn new things. So today I have my first pick to start my YouTube channel. So I saw a Facebook Marketplace ad. The gentleman was selling showcases. So I asked him how much he can sell me all the trains that are inside the cases. Can I get, it's unbelievable, guys, what that man said. He said 400. I said, did you say 400 or 4,000? He said 400. I said, okay, since it's late, first thing in the morning, between 7 and 9, I'll be at your house. I didn't want to waste time. As soon as my husband arrives, we just head straight to his house. Guys, that was a good steal. I didn't even want to negotiate the price to take him down because I can see I'm gonna make money. There were train locomotives, train cars, train parts, train manuals, HO scale, N scale, you name it. So I'm gonna show you what we have today, just a peek, guys. Then tomorrow I'll be doing unboxing and listing. So here is only 2 boxes. I still have about maybe 20 boxes to go. So guys, this is what I have right now. But tomorrow I'll be unboxing and listing some of these things, so I'll be showing exactly what I got. Okay guys, we are here. This person has a lot of collectibles, guys. Look at this. Look, cowboy stuff. Lots of collectibles. And I think he really loved Marilyn Monroe. Norma Jean. I see him here. Elvis Presley.
So tell me about your collection.
So
this place is awesome. My wife
look at this.
Train pile.
And this is Elvis Presley. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys.
I can't really get back in, but what do you have in that cabinet?
He has a lot of Marilyn Monroe, guys, collection.
Those are cool. How did you come across all the artifacts?
Look at these collectibles.
All the different people in the shows.
Okay.
Yes, guys.
And we have track sale at this point.
Yeah. But he says
But it's one heck of a collection, I'm telling you.
it's so impressive.
That Indian against the wall back there, what is that?
Okay, guys, and here are the trains that we came for. That's a steal. We agreed at $400 for everything that I'm showing here. So I'm gonna be listing and listing.
What kind of price would you like for that?
I would have to have 25.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let my subscribers know.
Yeah.
And you guys, I get a 10% finder's fee if you want to buy that Indian.
Yeah. Oh, this is the
Contact
trains
me and I will
that I
contact
got.
the owner of it.
That's a steal, guys. I mean, for $400, all these.
Here.
Okay.
They come from China.
Yeah, they're real metal, aren't they?
Yeah.
And these are the American Railroad.
I don't know what they made it or something.
Surprised by his collections, guys.
Around here.
Look at that.
I got them before.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, the train, train, I love that train.
Once you get this space empty,
He said it was built by
my wife
prisoners.
picked this whole little pile of train items. It used to be a. Tell me what it was again.
It was a train store.
Look at Norma Jean's fan. Yeah. Okay. Nice collection. Look at these guys. Yep.
Golden cane. Do you have the retirement thing here?
Nice picture there.
Is that a wood sculpture with a middle finger up?
Yep.
I have to have that. How much is?
Look at that train, guys. That's a metal train.
That's not the one they're talking about.
Okay.
It's just a
Because
purpose.
I grabbed that one too, and he told me
No,
that.
this
He
is.
He said.
he said no. He said that's not it. He says.
These $2,000 to $3,000 in eBay sales easily, guys.
So I'll be unboxing them today, at least some on eBay, so stay tuned. Always stay tuned. This is crazy, guys. For $400 and get all these trains is crazy, and it's unbelievable.
Our luck is just unbelievable right now. God bless
Yep.
everything.
Yep.
Okay, honey.
Yep.
Honey picker,
Yes.
you are the luckiest picker. What? I just can't believe it. My heart is pounding of the amount of engines and brand new in the box N scale. That one box has about 50 N scale in it, brand new in the packaging. You know, there's at least 15 to 20 brand new engines.
Yep.
Aherns they're brand new models. They don't even have the stickers attached to the engine yet. I don't know. They're
That
probably
was a
worth.
steal. I was just surprised, you know. He just said 400, just like that. I'm talking over 15 boxes, guys, packed full.
No, there's 30 boxes.
That's what I'm saying.
There was 15 piles of boxes, 2 or 3 high.
Yeah.
The books, the manuals, the parts.
Yeah.
Brand new parts that are marked $30 a piece. There's boxes and boxes of them. I am so jealous.
Why are you jealous, honey?
Because I love trains.
Yeah, but it's my pick.
It's your picking.
Yeah.
You're the one going to sell them.
Yep.
So, you guys stay tuned. We're going to start putting the trains up and see how they do. Okay, I think I turned left here, right there?
Yeah, I think so.
Because I'm kind of lost.
Good. Yeah, we have to sign out now, guys, because we need to use the GPS.
Yeah, I got to use the GPS.
So, I'm going to be listing and unboxing, guys. So, stay tuned for Honey Pickers. Sign out. Love you guys.
CDL Picker. Bye.
Adios.